Kar.
Kor.
Yes, Kam is like our god.
Okay.
The Gimiza Memnun Uldum. It's that many happy returns of the Kurban holidays. Guzel. Hi.
Namaste.
How are you?
I am very fine. How are you?
Fine.
Welcome to my channel. How can I say your name?
How means Jay. It is okay for me.
Jay.
Jay.
Hello friends, today my guest is Jay. Today we will talk about computer science in India. Before I start speaking, my English is not very good, sorry for that. Can you speak slowly so that I can understand you, please?
Okay, sure. Actually, my English is also bad.
Which school are you going to?
Okay, I am going in Parul University.
Your class? Second.
Yes, second year. Yes, I am in second year, yeah.
How training process have changed in COVID?
The new attitudes towards working from home. You know what I talk about, and it is extend to the other aspect from the work life balance, and from students. COVID is the best opportunity because online exams and else.
We are online.
Yeah, we are online. Means we have online exam. Then
Okay.
we have Google it, search it, then answer it. Okay, it is okay.
How is your country so good at software?
It's software. Okay. India has been good at engineering since Indus Valley civilizations. From software, hardware, whatever. But engineering since Indus Valley civilization, India is the best because since then it has always excelled. It branches and astronomy, astrology, mathematics, whatever. But in software, it is like heaven.
Okay. In which year do you choose your field of the specialization? Yes, specialization.
Specializations.
Yes.
Okay. Actually, in our country, in our university, we have to choose our specialization in first year, not second, third, or fourth.
It's not too early.
Yeah, it is early, but what can we do? It is rules, regulations. We have to note against the rules and regulations. We have to choose. We must not have to.
We are start second after them.
Actually, what I say that we have to choose in first year, but we have to learn specialization in fourth year. Means I chosen the artificial intelligence. Okay, what I say you can understand.
I understand.
Okay, good.
Which field did you choose?
Okay, I already told that I chosen the artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning. From my side, AI is the next generation of our world because all about machinery and intelligence. Like in future, all our world depends on AI. Right now, AI can beat humans. I think AI can beat humans because some specific task only, but in the future, it is expect from AI. That's why I chosen the AI. Actually, I think you don't understand.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, slowly, please.
Okay, sorry. It's my bad. Okay, sorry. Means I'm telling that AI is the future. Artificial intelligence is the future of our world. Then think about the future. Right now, AI is top. Then in future, AI is where?
Okay, I understand.
Okay.
In what field do students who study in computer science want to develop?
It is like little difficult question. Not much more, but little. But actually, DBA I think it is recommended in all fields. If you choose cyber, then DBMS is required. If you choose AI, then database is important.
Our computer science job opportunities in country.
You know, the world becoming more and more digital. And the scope for computer science is on a rise. Okay, but the India, specific India, IT exports are expand and expand. It is like 175 billion euro. Means that's so much amount of that. It is a rate about in 2020.
Okay.
Now and it's no brainer that BTech and means our computer science is one of the best test. I think it is best test, highly paid job.
Good.
You understand? Actually, I think that you can't understand a little word.
How much salary computer science gets in your country?
My country. Okay, it's about 250,000 INR. Means in a Turkish 30,000. Yes, 13,000 I think. I write it.
Okay.
Your currency is, I think, lira.
Yes, lira.
Yeah, it's about 13 to 19 lira. India, it is 215,000. But I think.
How do you get education?
From my side, best way to learn is self-learning. Okay, because self-learning gives you an idea to develop new for the world, to the world, whatever. But best way is self-learning from my side. From other side, I don't know.
Do you understand me?
Yes, I understand you. But your English pronunciation is little bit.
What is your mother tongue?
Okay, my mother tongue language.
Yes, language. Yes.
Actually, my mother tongue is Gujarati.
And have you entered the Ganges River? Do you understand?
You write in chat box.
Writing.
I will
Okay.
read.
Okay. Writing.
Ganga River.
Ganges? No, Ganga.
Ganga, not Gangas. It's Ganga.
Okay.
Yeah. When I am fifth standard.
Really?
Yes.
Wow. A Ganga River swimming. How do you feel?
Okay. When I enter, it is very cold water. After 2 days, I am sick.
Wow, I am really curious.
Curious. I understand.
How important is the Ganga River?
In our region, Ganga is like our mother. You know, mother. It is like our mother. Means what can I say? Means I have no words for Ganga.
Okay. Which religion you belong to?
Hindu. I am Hindu.
Hindu.
HH. Yes.
Hindu. And the cow is just as important to you.
Yes, very important.
Very.
Yes.
Why?
Because we devoured the cow. Means God.
God.
God. God.
Okay, God.
Yes, cow is like our God.
Okay. I am a Muslim.
Okay, you are Muslim.
Yes.
Muslim.
Yes. Do you know Muslim?
Yes. Many of my friends are Muslim, but Indian Muslim.
I watching Amir Khan.
Amir Khan.
Yes.
Amir Khan. Yes,
Yes.
yes. He's our hero. Means in cinema.
Yes, very good.
Yeah, it's his acting is very good.
Amir Khan is a movies.
Dangal and 3 Idiots.
Yes.
Dangal, yes.
Dangal.
Dangal is one of my favorite movie. You know,
Yes.
it is about on women empowerment.
Yes. Important. Very important.
It movie said that women are more stronger.
Yes. And very good and box.
Yes, boxing. Yeah.
Yes.
Actually, I am like shocked because you know Amir Khan.
Yes.
That's why
Very
I'm
nice.
shocked.
Very now Amir Khan.
That's why I'm shocked. What you know Amir Khan? I'm shocked. Like what?
What are your most famous dishes?
Famous dishes
Yes.
for eating.
Yes.
In our India, one of the best is Pani Puri. Pani Puri. It is so interesting. Interesting means delicious.
What's inside?
Potato.
Potato.
Yes, potato.
Potato.
Potato.
And wow. Döner. Do you know döner? Turkish famous döner.
Oh, it is this.
Dishes. These
This
dishes.
is yeah. That.
What are your holidays?
Holidays. It's Diwali. Diwali, Holi, many holidays. You know.
I don't know.
It's about firecrackers and all. Firecrackers. In Hawaii Fishek.
Havai fişekler. Okay. Havai fişek. I heard you're throwing something colorful.
Colorful.
Yes.
It's Holi.
Yes. Your country festivals very enjoy. I see.
Yes. Means in Turkey, what are holidays?
After that, 3 days Kurban holidays. Do you know?
Kurban holidays.
Do you know Kurban holidays?
I don't know, but I'll surely Google it. Kurban Bayrami.
Yes.
Means that many happy returns of the Kurban holidays.
What?
Many happy returns. Means I wish your holiday. After 3 days, you have Kurban holidays. Am I right?
Thank you. Well, thank you. Thank you.
Understand?
Thank you. Turkish a very hard language.
Hard language.
Yes.
If you teach me, then okay, I will teach it. I will learn. I translate in Turkish, then I tell you. Bana Turk se orgetrizan. Sorry, but I can't speak.
It is
Literally,
correct.
Bana Turk se orgetrizan. Sorry. I can't.
Turkish I teach.
Okay, Güzel. It means nice.
Nice, yes. Translate Turkish. Yes.
Mehaba.
Yes. Very good.
I think that it is very easy language, but in speaking it is very hard. Turkish bile konu sami yorum.
What? Repeat.
Turkish bile konu sami yorum.
Ha, Türkçe konuşamıyorsun. Konuşamıyorum
Ah.
Türkçe.
That's I tell.
Yes. You learn Turkish very fast. Do you understand me?
No.
Yeah. You learn Turkish
Yes.
very fast, very fast, very fast, very fast.
Fast.
Fast.
It's not fast. It's fast.
Fast. Okay.
Easily. Am I right? Easily. Fast means.
What? Easy.
Wait.
Hızlı. Evet, hızlı.
Hızlı.
Hızlı. Do you subscribe? Turkish Translate. Abone olur musunuz? Repeat after me.
Abone.
Turkish. Yes. Olur musunuz?
Abone olursunuz.
Olur musunuz?
Olursunuz.
Olur.
Olur.
Olur.
Olur.
Yes. Yes. Musunuz?
Musunuz.
Yes.
Hello, musunuz. Sorry.
Good. Good.
You can speak little bit English. I can't speak little bit Turkish.
Yes.
You understand me?
Yes.
Bana Türkçesi
Türkçe.
öğrettiğin için teşekkür ederim.
Yes. Very good. Can you teach me Hindi words?
Why not? What are you doing? It's Hindi is क्या कर रहे हो?
Small words.
क्या
क्या?
कर
कर
रहे
रहे
हो?
हो.
हाँ, क्या कर रहे हो?
रेहा
क्या कर रहे हो?
रिया क्या हेरो हो.
क्या it's क्या
क्या. Yes. क्या. Yes.
क्या कर
करो.
कर
कर
it's simply कर. क्या कर रहे
रहे
हो?
Oh.
If you speak thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. It is in Hindi. It is धन्यवाद.
What?
धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद.
हाँ. Little bit okay.
धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद.
Slowly, please.
धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद.
हाँ. Then mix it. धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद.
In pronunciation, Hindi is difficult. I know.
Yes, difficult pronounce. Very
Pronounce.
difficult.
I can understand.
I learn very fast Hindi. Indian language.
Indian language.
English?
Yeah, I understand. Indian language. Yeah. You can learn very fast. Nice try. Means Güzel denemek.
Güzel.
Güzel denemek.
C şükriya. C şükriya.
Means thank you.
Yes. Do you know Istanbul?
Istanbul. Yes. I heard that name.
I live in Istanbul.
Istanbul. Actually, I want to visit one Topkapi Palace.
Topkapı. Yes.
It's in Istanbul.
Yes. Topkapi.
It's like Disney's palace.
Lidl. Same.
Hoş geldin.
What?
Welcome means welcome. Hoş geldin in Turkish.
Hoş geldin.
What I say, welcome in Turkish. Hoş geldin.
Yes, hoş geldin. Yes. English is very important for our department.
Yes, English is very much. English is important. Yes, in computer science it is very important, because if you going to abroad, like you have to plan. I'll job in USA or UK. Then you must know the English.
Are you doing a brain drain? Do you know brain drain?
No, what is brain drain?
For example, studying in India and going abroad.
Actually, I plan that I'll study in India, but for job purpose, means I'll job in UK or USA or Canada. İngilizce öğrenmek zorundayım.
I read İngilizce öğrenmek zorundasın.
Means, okay. I is öğrenmek zorundasın.
Öğrenmek. Yes, öğrenmek. Yes.
Okay. English is öğrenmek zorundasın.
Wow, it's very successful. How is the COVID situation in India?
It is better, but before 2 or 3 weeks, India, COVID is very dangerous. Means many more cases.
Have you been vaccinated?
Yes. I taken the first dose.
Is there anything you wonder about Turkey?
Actually, your Turkish people are so nice.
Okay, I understand. Thank you.
Actually, I first met you. You are the first person who is Turkish.
And you are the first who is India.
Oh, okay. What do you think? Means I will tell you about India.
I know Indians are very attached to their traditions and family.
Yes. Very much. First position is our family. In our life, hayat.
Yes, life. Turkish translates. Life.
Yes.
Hayat. Thank you for talking to me.
Yeah, welcome. Hoş geldin.
Yes. Hoş bulduk. Hoş geldin. Hoş
geldin.
bulduk. Yes.
And guzar. Nice.
Yes.
That's something in my mind. Guzar means nice.
You know only one word.
One
Two
word.
words.
Yes. Nice. Yes.
And nice to meet you.
Tanıştığımıza memnun oldum.
Yes.